Hi, my name is Stephen Magee, and I'm the author of Hypoxia, Mental Illness, and Chronic Fatigue. And we're here to talk about the super toxic Salem Police Department. So this is a Salem Police Department report that I've obtained. I had an encounter with a very unexpected encounter with the Salem Police Department. These reports cost about $23 to obtain from them. When I attempted to talk to Stephen about his complaint, Stephen said he was going to video record my car. So that is actually true, and the reason why I was video recording his car is because I had video recorded the same car earlier not showing up to my 911 call. So I wanted to get a video recording of it because it was important to my police corruption investigation that I was now doing to have a video recording of that car so I can match it up with the earlier car that I video recorded. I attempted several times to get Stephen to tell me how he was being harassed. So what he's not mentioning is he's trying to block me from video recording his car. So he knows I've told him I'm going to video record his car, and he's trying to stop me from video recording his car. So this is what he says about it. Stephen walked away from me and began to film my car. I stood in front of Stephen to attempt to get him to talk to me. That's exactly what he did. But what he's not mentioning is he is inches from me. He refused to walk away from me when I told him he was harassing me. He refused to give me space. He's in my personal space. It's inches. He's breathing all over me. I had to do a COVID test. He was that close to me, because he was just totally breathing his potentially infectious breath in my face. I ended up with COVID-like symptoms in the days afterwards. I had to run a COVID test. So I was pretty convinced that wherever that illness was that I got in the days afterwards came from him. So I kind of viewed it as a form of assault he was engaging in with me during the COVID-19 era that we're all in. COVID-19 kills people. So I'm like, is this guy trying to kill me by breathing all over me? That was kind of my conclusion as a police corruption researcher, is that he was trying to infect me. And it's possible he knew he had something, but it's part of the intimidation that the police do. They'll just breathe all over you in the era of COVID-19 like it's nothing, knowing full well if they do have COVID-19 and they give it to you, you may actually die. So, it's a form of harassment they're engaging with people. So he instead accused me of harassing him. Stephen asked for my name and badge number. I pointed out my name to Stephen and told him we do not have badge numbers. I made him aware of the agency I work for and allowed him to video record my person. So that is relatively accurate, with the exception of when I got this report. He does have a number. It's right there. He is John Diaz, number S457. So the only thing I got out of him was Diaz. It was the only thing he would tell me on the scene. He would not tell me his full name and his badge number. It was never revealed to me. The only thing he revealed was Diaz when I was trying to identify him. So he's a toxic police officer. He lies extensively. He's a profuse liar. And that's his number. So he's number S457, John Diaz. That's who we're talking about in the Salem Police Department. So I'm going to show you the video of that, and I think you'll find it very interesting.
So how else can I help you, Stephen?
So I need you to take my report of the harassing behaviors.
Okay, I'm going to do that. How did they harass you?
So I just want to take a scan of your car before, because it looks remarkably like the car that was here earlier and didn't attend to my call.
How did they help you, Stephen?
So
how did they harass you?
Is there a reason why you're blocking my view?
I'm not blocking anybody's view.
You're engaging in harassment. Can I help you,
yes or no?
You're engaging in harassment right now in your own video.
Not.
Do
you want my help, yes or no?
I want to video record the car.
Do you want my help, yes or no?
Why are you coming into my space?
Why are you shaking?
Because you're in my space.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Do you want my help, yes or no?
I can feel your breath. You're that close to me. Yeah, my camera is zoomed all the way out, has a wide-angle lens.
Okay.
And you're
Do you want help, yes
camera.
or no?
So I want you to take my complaint.
I am listening to your complaint.
You're harassing me.
No, I'm not.
You're right on top of me. Look.
No, I'm not.
Here's our feet. Look how close we are.
Why are you shaking, Stephen?
Because you're harassing me. Why are you harassing me? You're just engaging in the same exact behavior as these park keepers.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're
so
toxic.
Can I help you, yes or no?
You're toxic. I need your name, your badge number. I need to file a complaint about you.
My name's right here.
Okay, what's your name? Diaz?
Yes.
Police? I need your badge number.
We don't have badge numbers. That's for TV, Stephen.
Okay, so how am I supposed to file a complaint about some random
I work for
guy
the city of
called
Salem.
Diaz, and you won't let me see your plate number of your car?
Right there.
Okay, so you're letting me... You just stepped in front when I wanted to video it. Is there a reason why you're standing between me and your car?
Because I'm trying to have a conversation with you like a gentleman.
You can have a conversation by standing over here.
I'm not going to stand where you want me to. That's not the way it goes.
Okay, I'm going to move. Please stay there.
No.
So you're harassing me now?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You don't tell people what to do,
harassing
Stephen.
me. I'm telling you, you're harassing me.
Huh. What's the harassment?
The harassment is you're in my space. You're not taking my complaint. You're not letting me record the car.
You going to put this on YouTube? Because I'd like to see what the comments would say with your little comment there.
Oh, I always leave the comments on. That's going to be very interesting to see what they say about you.
So, Stephen, if you don't want to...
so I do want to file a complaint.
I'm going to take off. So what's your complaint then?
So, where's my police report number? I'm trying to file a police report.
Okay.
Okay. I see you got a video camera.
Do you have something
You're video recording me.
Do you have something to write down?
I don't. You're going to have to write it down for me. I've got mental health issues.
Yep, that's nice.
So,
do you have a pen?
I don't have a pen, no. Sorry.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to give you mine. 457, what's my case number? $36484 for the case number, Stephen.
36484.
Do you have anything else?
Can you take my statement?
Huh?
I'd like to take a statement. I want you to take a written statement.
I just did. I asked you. You refused to answer.
I'm ready. I've been trying to give you my statement. You're harassing me. I was dealing with the harassment you engaged in.
You done, Stephen?
I want you to take my statement.
I already did.
You've not taken. Read it back to me. Read it back to me.
I'm not reading anything back.
Yes, you didn't take it.
I asked you how they're harassing you. You said, I'm going to videotape your car.
I wanted to get a record of the car that I was handed because it looked remarkably like the car that was here earlier.
It was.
It was you that was here earlier.
Yes.
And you were watching me. You didn't attend to harassment.
I didn't have to. There was no harassment. You were videotaping the eagles. Well, I don't know very many eagles that fly on the ground. So,
I was on the spot.
Are we done?
I was walking over to where I was
going
to videotape the eagles. Look at my YouTube channel. I've got multiple videos of eagles on my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Environmental Radiation LLC. And if you go on there, you will see multiple videos of eagles in this park. I come down here to video record eagles in the park, and I do not expect to get harassment from the police. I do not expect harassment from the sheriff.
Well, let me remind you that you called me.
Harassment.
And I tried to call you on the phone, but you didn't answer.
You came down and then you harassed me.
How am I harassing you?
You came into my space. You're like, my foot was literally inches away from your foot.
No, it wasn't.
I didn't move. You came into my space.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, you were. That's intimidation. It's police harassment, police intimidation. And I'm asking that they fire you.
Okay.
I hope.
Who are you going to ask?
I'm going to ask the police complaints to fire you.
The police complaints?
I'm going to file a police complaint about you.
Okay.
So.
Do you know how to do that?
It'd be great if you could tell me.
Sure. You go down to the Salem Police Department.
Yeah.
There's a form that you can file for a complaint, and you can fill it out there.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you could do it online, but it would probably be better if you did it in person.
Okay.
And you have my name. I work for the city of Salem.
Can you uncover it?
I work for the city of Salem.
So you're Diaz Police. That's your name, Diaz Police.
Yep.
So as you can see, he would only give me Diaz as his name. So he would not give me any of the information that I got from the police reports. One of the things that's important with a police report to pick up is you are going to get more information from that police report. So, you know, although these cost $23, you're going to get all this extra information you're not aware of. And you're also going to get their fantasy story that they're engaging in about you. And that's very kind of concerning, because when they're engaging in fantasies, other police officers are going to read this report in the future, and they're going to think it's reality. And it's not. It's a fabrication. This police report is an extensive fabrication of events. has many omissions. It's not an accurate report of what went on. He refused to take an accurate report from me during the incident. So there is no accurate report about what went on in the park with me, the Salem Police Department, and the Marion County's Sheriff's Department, and the gardening supervisors of the work crew. So that's how it all started. It doesn't exist. It's just absolutely atrocious policing that appears to have been done on purpose. So, Salem Police Department is super shady. It's way, way up there with the most toxic police officers and police departments I've ever encountered during police corruption research. And unfortunately, it's kind of normal. What we're talking about is normality in the police. It's normal in the UK. It's normal in the USA. There's nothing abnormal going on in this police report. This is how the police operates. They operate in fantasy land. So they're constantly fabricating information, sticking it into their computer system to harass you. So, this is a harassment report we're reading. This is just another extension of the harassment that occurred in Salem Riverfront Park. So I don't believe he knows I'm a police corruption researcher. So that's the other funny thing going on with this police report. If you have an encounter with the Salem Police Department, I wish you the very best of luck, because you're totally going to need it. You're going to find yourself in a very, very toxic situation at times with this particular police department. I just feel so sorry for you if you come into contact with them. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.